Hello gentlemen, Steve Beeson here with American Iron Works. Today we are going to demonstrate how to install the Quick Check cable choker. This Quick Check cable choker can be installed on hoses without disconnecting the hose and draining the oil. Simply come around like this, and you're going to shove your brass through the slot here, like that. We'll come over on this side and we're going to do the same thing. Just run your cable around. Lock it in like that. I'm going to go ahead and bring this side here up a little bit. Open this up like this and bring it right behind the fitting. If you'll notice, Oscar, come over here a little bit and show them the fitting here. Come around here. We're going to place the cable choker right behind this nut in this fitting area right here. Like that. And we want to place this end of the choker at least 2 to 3 times the outside diameter of the hose back from this crimped fitting. So if you have 1.5 inch OD, we want to come about 4.5 inches back from this here. So anyway, let's give it a test this morning to see how it performs. Thank you. Looks like the Quick Check cable choker performed very well. Didn't move any at all on that hose. I mean, it's an incredible product. Look at how hard it pulled in on that hose. And again, we've done multiple tests with it placed right behind the fitting area here. And we haven't had one of them pull off yet, so very comfortable with it placed behind any type of a fitting in this area, particularly right here. But the gripping action on that Quick Check choker is just, I've never seen a product grip so well, so very impressed. That was at 5,000 PSI. That was our QC 5/16 cable choker, pressuring 1.25 inch hose to 5,000 PSI in nitrogen. Great test.